This very same self is what everything is. And you see yourself, you know yourself already, but you've limited to here. And when this disappears, then everything is seen as yourself, as it is.
Mm.
The very same self you already know. This is why it's not new. You don't become something. What happens is it actually appears to be more of you to you initially, because it's so new to you and you thought you were this little tiny thing over here. And all of a sudden, oh my God, I am everything everywhere. There's more of you everywhere in a way, in contrast. And so much power in that, but not power against anything. It's just you are the totality. So it's power, but it's not dual power. You can't even describe the singular power. It's just like, can't even try, or it's going to be in the dog's mouth, you know? Yeah, because as a tiny portion of yourself, you're weak, you're impotent, you're this little feeble little thing up in the head. Yeah, we've all experienced it. But you also all experience yourself. You know yourself, the self that you are. That's why it's called the self. But that almost conceptualizes it too. It's an object you can talk about. Oh, the self. No, it's yourself. Okay, that's why I love the word self. There's no better word possible anywhere. It's yourself, but it's not just yourself. Well, it is just yourself because there are no other selves. But you think there are other selves. It's also their self. Okay, so there's no others. Yeah. Too many words sometimes, but these beautiful teachings are designed to like blow your mind and stop the mind, which kills the separation, the division, and just leaves you with yourself. Which is all there's ever been.
And that's why it's important, the pointing that you're not what you take yourself to be, because that's what you take yourself to be is what conceals. He used the word conceal. I'm trying to tie it in here.
Nothing conceals. Nothing. You saying there is something. Is not real. This is your highest power. This is yourself. This is yourself concealing yourself through yourself.
Without any condition.
Without any condition. Nothing real. There is no real condition here. None. It's optional. Selfing is optional.
What do you mean?
Creating your separate self. The self, yourself exists, no matter what the mind says, and you don't need to make yourself up. That's what everybody's been doing.
And making each other up.
Yep. Yeah. But there aren't each other.
No condition. Wow. It's just that just sounds like unfathomable freedom.
Unfathomable only because the mind, is so limited.
Yeah, maybe the better word is unbounded. I don't know. It's just freedom, freedom.
Yeah, freedom. You are the unconditioned, and that is freedom.